We carry out prospecting, geological exploration and development of oil and gas fields in the old region of West Siberia.
Наш район характеризуется очень высокой геологической.
Our region has very well-studied geology and a high level of commercial oil and gas finds. We use helium surveying at the prospecting stage in order to locate fields at new territories with minimal costs. When we develop oil and gas fields, we encounter zones with very high flow rates at production wells. Also, old wells drilled earlier have been retested after interpretation of helium survey data, and we have obtained high flow rates at wells which have been idle.
Дебиты на ранее простаивающих скважинах. Мы сотрудничаем с актуальной.
We have worked with actual geology since 1997, during which time we have conducted a number of surveys at prospecting areas and at operating fields. Helium anomalies discovered by the surveys have enabled us to find the contours of pools at prospecting areas and to also identify areas with high density of reserves at operating fields.
На действующих месторождениях. Мы работаем в.
We work in a region that has been geologically very highly researched. A large number of fields have been discovered which are already in late stages of development. We found certain anomalous zones where flow rates from wells are particularly high. Analysis showed that these areas have linear shape. We ordered a helium survey in order to localize and trace this phenomenon. The survey contoured the anomalous zones, and the survey data will be used in the future to optimize the well development systems at operating fields. Helium survey also facilitates prospecting work at new areas, providing information about possible oil and gas presence at minimal expense.
По данным гелевой съемки. В ходе проведения гелевой съемки
field data arrive at the office every day. The data are transmitted in ciphered form. The archives are protected by a password and can only be de-archived in the office using special software. After receiving the data, we carry out preliminary processing of the materials, assess the quality of the materials and of device operation, assess the dynamics of the survey, and adjust further work plans. When we've received all data for the area, we draw up final maps showing helium content, helium anomalies, and variations.
Гелия, вариации содержания гелия. В ходе проведения гелия.
While the survey is being carried out, field observation data are dispatched every day to the company office, where the data are quickly processed, quality of the materials and the functioning of each device is analyzed, and the survey dynamics are tracked.
Динамика съемки.
На мой взгляд, гелевый метод.
The helium method is highly promising and has a great future. Further development depends on one thing: the apparatus. Excellent results are being obtained even using the apparatus which is now available. Results which already tally with real facts, with real oil and gas accumulations that are discovered using this apparatus. If it can be improved, the method will also improve. Of course, problems will arise. but they can always be resolved when an objective has been defined. Helium surveying and helium measurement technology have a future.
Когда задача поставлена, она всегда решается. Вот так что я думаю, что все будет очень хорошо. Если бы я
If I was head of an oil or gas company, I would certainly apply the technology and make use of it.
метод внедрил.